So this is the back area where I do a lot of the work. Just remember, I am by no means any kind of professional. Way far from it. So people are probably going to complain that I'm doing everything wrong. But again, this is just to try to get this thing one color, running and driving. That's the old hood. It was 100% rust when I got it. Now it's just primer with bird poop on it. Front fender, it's been gone down to metal, and these two still working on. Did look like that. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.